Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Gemini Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course too, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Gemini, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, okay. They're kind of watching you from a distance, stalking you from fake accounts or something, and it's kind of stressing the hell out of them. And the more they're watching you, the more this person is getting this energy of okay, I should move on. I should move on. Gemini is happy. Gemini is doing their own thing. Gemini is not interested in me, and maybe they feel like there is somebody else in your life, even if there is or there is not. They feel like that. Hmm? So this is somebody who's watching you from a distance. They can't stop thinking about you, and all they are hearing about the situation is noise and conflict and chaos. It's like they can't let you get out of their head. You are living in their head rent free, and they are definitely feeling this urge and this desire to let it go, but they are not able to do that. For some of you, this person is sensing and feeling that you are with somebody else already, even if you are not. And for others of you, they feel like okay, there's nothing left in the situation to work on, and Gemini is kind of not interested in me anymore, so what's the use of going in that direction? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Fool card. Wow. This person wants to come rushing towards you. They want to take the risk of come towards you and have some kind of clarity, communication, and some kind of energy of okay, let's talk about things. Let's talk about the uncomfortable things that we were running from. Okay, so this person wants to very passionately come forward towards you, clear the air with you somehow, but not properly or honestly. It's like just wanting to keep their points, just wanting to make you understand their things, and then they just want to like be okay, everything is fine now. They don't want to listen to your side of the story or sort it out with you on a genuine level, because Knight of Swords in this particular deck is the card of avoidance, but they have this passion and desire to take the risk of coming forward towards you and somehow sorting it out with you. If this is making any sense, this is what they want from the situation from you. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 11th of May, honey. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles. The memories of the past is going to force this person to do something about the situation and come forward towards you with some kind of brand new offer. For most, especially, I'm talking about those people who had a very solid relationship with each other, those guys who had a very beautiful connection, beautiful memories with each other. This connection is not something that was 3 months, 2 months, or 3 weeks old. This was something at least 6 to 8 months old, kind of a deal. There are chances that this person is going to get so nostalgic over the situation between you and them, they are going to end up contacting you or connecting with you, and they are going to end up asking you for another shot, directly or indirectly. That depends on the situation. But the energies are very much available for this person to come back towards you and offer you this energy of let's start from the start. Hmm? Now, if they're going to do it or not, that's completely their free will, honey. I cannot force somebody to take the action on your behalf, on their behalf. Try to understand my point here. Tarot is not actually fortune telling. Tarot is about the energies available. If somebody is going to act on the energies or not, that's their complete free will. But there are very good energies. This person is definitely missing you like crazy. They definitely want to take the risk of coming forward towards you, and the energies for a brand new chapter opening up is definitely available here. For you, the guidance here is you have to keep yourself happy with or without this person. You should not put the responsibility of your happiness or your sadness on somebody else's shoulders. It's your life, it's your responsibility, and it's your creation. If you are happy, it's your it's your responsibility. If you're sad, it's your responsibility. So basically, you are the creator of your own happiness and sadness, and you have to keep on reminding this thing to yourself continuously. And you have to be happy without any person, without any energy attached to you. Then only you are going to understand the true meaning of true and real relationship. That's the deal here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.